Hey there, welcome back to my channel Elance Data Sage. Today we will look at sum if function. Let's get over to my laptop. We have the sample data which is grouping, subgrouping, then region. We are trying to look this sum if function. So first we will pick selling price from this data. Okay, we have a grouping, subgrouping, and we have a selling price. Yes. Okay, now with the grouping function we will pick that. Okay, let's type sum if. The moment you type, it will come. The range is in this data. What is your criteria? So criteria is my grouping, subgrouping. Okay, as I told you earlier, you have to lock it, which is function f4, then come back, and your criteria is nothing but what are you looking. So the currently I'm looking is grouping, subgrouping. So select one cell and do the locking of D column, and then do the sum range. The sum range is nothing but what are you going to pick. The picking is selling price. So you select full. Either you can leave it like this without locking, because you are selecting entire column, so you don't have to do that. If you are doing any specific range, then do the locking. Okay, then close it. We have the data. Okay, and if you want to test it out, console X box, right? Console X box. Okay, the overall value of selling price is 2,73,600. Okay, you can see that here. And when it comes to this page, we have the 2,73,600. Yeah, the same will work for region also. Do the controller, and now your criteria will change first, because you are in this sheet. And when you have this one, which is a range, your range also will change. Just select this range including single inverted comma and go to the gaming data. And what are we doing? We are checking the region. Select it, do this, and done. We have the value. Region wise also we have the selling price. This is about SUMIF. That's it for this video. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.